In today's video, we're exploring the best fraction calculator apps for Android that can simplify your calculations and make working with fractions a breeze. If you're ready to enhance your math skills, let's dive in. Fraction Calculator Plus. Fraction Calculator Plus is a powerful and user-friendly app designed specifically for simplifying and performing operations with fractions. The app allows users to easily add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions with just a few taps. It features a clear interface that displays the steps taken to reach the solution, making it a great tool for both students and adults. Additionally, Fraction Calculator Plus supports mixed numbers and offers a conversion feature to change between fractions, decimals, and percentages. Whether you're solving homework problems or handling everyday calculations, this app is an excellent choice for fraction management. Fraction Calculator Plus Math. Fraction Calculator Plus Math combines a fraction calculator with additional math functionalities, making it a versatile tool for users. In addition to basic fraction operations, this app allows users to work with whole numbers, mixed numbers, and decimals. It features a simple interface that helps users quickly input numbers and display results in a clear format. The app also provides detailed solution steps, which are beneficial for understanding the calculations involved. With its ability to handle various math problems beyond fractions, this app is perfect for students looking to improve their overall math skills. Fraction Calculator Android. Fraction Calculator Android is a straightforward and practical app that focuses on efficiently calculating fractions. It supports all basic operations, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions, as well as mixed numbers. The app has a clean and intuitive design that allows users to enter fractions easily and view results in real time. Additionally, it includes features for simplifying fractions and converting between different formats. With its focus on ease of use and accuracy, Fraction Calculator Android is an ideal choice for anyone who frequently works with fractions, from students to professionals. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Fraction Calculator Plus, Fraction Calculator Plus Math, and Fraction Calculator Android helps you find the perfect app for all your fraction needs. Until next time, happy calculating.